All right, we're doing a quick review slash new product update. MICTUNING sent me these. I love their products. I've used them in my 67 C10 build. These are new, brand new, the P1 app controlled switch panel and also zone. Today is a little bit different. Today we're just going to be doing a new product review from MICTUNING, unboxing, seeing what is there. First, we're going to get into the Color Zone Q2 Max. These are all customizable. They're multicolor chasing. There's 8 pods and they are fully app compatible. And here they are, 36 high intensity LEDs per pod. More than your typical ones. They have, as you can see on the sides, they are also got LEDs. So this is all around going to be a brighter control. And as you can see here, it's fully customized. Unlike the other ones I put on, those are one color only. These I can select left front, left right, left rear, right rear, and control them all separately and have different colors, just like the truck in the picture. I'm excited for these ones. Next one I want to show you is this P1 app controlled switch panel, which is right here via the remote, or here is your in-dash screen. The screen has 4 different modes you can hit. So it's on as you push the button, flashes, strobe, or a toggle, or always on. Very nice product. This one, unlike the one I installed in the C10, you do have to wire up this control box because this one is your portable remote this time. Last time around, this one was the remote. So I like it. It's pretty big, but it's more compact than that one. And this does do app control also at 35 feet and then 230 feet of range. It's a very easy install, pretty much power, ground, run the remote, and then hook the accessories up. This can be used for fog lights, radios, fans, any accessories. Comes with all the wiring you need, the bracket install. Also comes with the antenna. This antenna mounted somewhere with good range. I would suggest not in a metal proximity, and you'll get the best range out of this. Here's the install onto the C10. If you haven't seen this video, please check that out. But we have radio, daytime running lights, fan, horn, underglow, and heater all hooked up. Like I said, that's the difference between this one and the C10. This is your remote right here. The other one, the remote is like a keychain type. And just like the other one, has a box. This is the C10 one. Power here, grounded, and then just run the accessories off each side of the box. These are all easy installs, and we're looking forward to putting this in our newer vehicle this time around. So today's video, just a quick short one. I wanted to give you guys the updates until it gets a little warmer out and I can install these into my truck. Very excited about these products. I love MICTUNING. If you haven't yet, check out the other videos, subscribe, turn the bell notification on, hit this like button. MICTUNING's been supporting the channel. We love their products, we support them. So show them some love below. We'll drop all the affiliate links for the 2 new products. And we're getting excited to get these done once it gets a little warmer out and I can get under the truck.